Welcome! If you're looking to update your Instagram close friends list and want to know how to remove someone quickly and easily, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to manage your close friends on Instagram, so you can take full control over who sees your private stories. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is the menu button, often called the hamburger menu. Tap on it to open up a list of options. From the menu, find and tap on Close Friends. This will bring up your current list of people who can see your close friends' stories. Here, you'll see everyone you've added to this exclusive list. To remove someone, simply scroll through your list until you find the person you want to take off. Next to their name, you'll see a little checkbox. All you have to do is tap that box to uncheck it. This action will remove them from your close friends list, meaning they'll no longer see any stories you share just with close friends. Once you've unchecked everyone you want to remove, look for the Done button, usually at the bottom or top right of the screen. Tap Done to save your changes. That's it. The people you removed won't be notified, and your close friends list is now updated. Remember, you can update this list as often as you like, adding or removing people whenever you want. Keeping your close friends list up to date ensures you're always sharing your stories with exactly who you want. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.